welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a jean collection haul. I'm going to try on every style that I have in my wardrobe. I'll go through my favorite ones first and then just go through the rest that I don't really wear as much. And this isn't a video to make you go buy all these jeans. I definitely didn't buy all of these. A lot of them have been gifted through my job. So yeah, don't go spend all your money on jeans, especially at this time. It's more of just a collection video, and if you're looking for some inspiration of what kind of style of jean you're after, if you want to invest in a new pair of jeans and you don't know what kind of fit to go for, then hopefully this video will help you. But yeah, I love watching style videos on YouTube. I love clothes, I love fashion. It makes me so happy. So if you're like me, keep watching. So I thought I'd start off with my favorite jeans, and they are the most highly requested on Instagram. They're just the perfect baggy boyfriend ripped jean. They are from Pretty Little Thing. I'll leave the link down below. I think they've been sold out for a bit because they're really popular, but they do come in different colors. I got a size 6. Usually I am a size 6 for jeans, but when it comes to tight fitting jeans, I can never get the sizing right. 6 is always too small, and then 8 is always too big around the waist. But these fit my waist perfectly, and they're the perfect blue. The material is not a thin denim. It's almost just like a material that is not denim. Like, it's really soft, quite thin, and very flexible. So yeah, whenever I wear these on Instagram, everyone asks where they're from, and they're from Pretty Little Thing. Pretty Little Thing have affordable jeans that are really on trend, and I feel like the sizing is really good. It's true to size. So these are Pretty Little Thing, and they're actually exactly the same style than the ones before, but with no rips. And they're also a go-to of mine just because of how comfy they are and the cool kind of 90s style that they have. Love these with like an oversized jumper and some sneakers, and it's a very 90s baggy boyfriend style. Okay, these are my favorite jeans of all time, besides the ripped ones that I just showed before. They have faded quite a bit, but I don't mind that they have faded. They used to be more of a medium blue, and now they've kind of faded to an acid wash kind of light medium blue. They're from the Thrills brand, but I got them from Mayo when they were on sale last year, and I've gotten so many compliments on them. They're just the coolest jeans. They're the perfect fit, so comfy. I find that the best jeans are the ones with the button up rather than the zip. I feel like the buttons just give you a better fit overall, and they're way comfier, and you can like bend and move more. These ones are so flattering, like it brings your waist in and then kind of makes it look like you have a booty and hips. So I've got some Levi jeans on. These were on Princess Polly, and they were called the Dad jean. They didn't have a specific number like 501 or any of the Levi numbers. They're like a medium to dark denim blue, and they've got the Levi's tag on the back. The only thing with this one is that it sticks out a bit at the back, but it doesn't really bother me because it's not too obvious. They're my only Levi jeans that I have, and I plan on trying to find some vintage Levi jeans that I want to invest in because I really like the style of them. But yeah, these are a cute kind of, not super baggy but not tight. They're like a straight leg dad style vibe. Next! Alright, so this next pair is from Revolve, but this pair was gifted to me and it quickly became my go-to pair of jeans that I just picked up if I had to run to the shops or to uni. It's just so comfy. It is probably a bit big for me because it doesn't sit high up on my waist. It kind of sags down to like below my belly button, but I kind of like that baggy style. I wore them on a TikTok and lots of people asked where the jeans were from. Next pair. Alright, I love these jeans. They're from Pretty Little Thing again. I love the really light wash. I didn't really have a color like this, and I love the 90s style. The holes are really big. But yeah, these just give me a beachy vibe. I was on a shoot and the makeup artist was wearing these, I think. And I was like, oh my god, those jeans are to die for. And then I forgot to ask her where they were from. And I like spent so long trying to find them online, like just searching low rise baggy white blue jeans, and I found them and I was like, I'm amazing. I love the casual chill vibe of this style. So cool, so 90s. Alright, these are some basic black jeans from Nasty Gal. They're new, so I'll leave the link down below. but I just wanted some plain black jeans because I actually didn't have any. I had black jeans with rips, but these are some, yeah, cute jeans, and they're not super skinny. Yeah, I don't really like wearing skinny jeans, to be honest. I'm always wearing looser kind of styles. But yeah, they're just your basic straight leg black jean. Okay, these are from Glassons. As I said, Glassons jeans fit me really well, and they're always a really good length. I wore them on a TikTok and I got heaps of questions about them, so yeah. I don't know if they still sell them because they are from maybe last month or the month before, but I'll try find jeans with a similar style with this kind of seam going down the middle. I really love that kind of vintage vibe. Okay, these jeans are from Abrand. I got them from Princess Polly. They kindly sent them to me, and this is the first kind of Abrand jean, skinny jean I own. It's got the Abrand triangle and tag at the back. It's just like a standard mid blue, which, as I said, is my favorite. Honestly, don't wear these out a lot because I never go to pick up skinny jeans. I just want to be comfortable, and these are a bit on the tighter side. After wearing all the comfy jeans, these feel a bit more constricting. But yeah, they are a good skinny jean if you're looking for one. They're a nice, more of a stretchy denim. They've got a little bit of stretch. Yeah, they are comfy for a skinny jean and very flattering. Okay, these are from Glassons, and I love this mum style fit. It reminds me of like vintage Levi's, but obviously Glassons is way more affordable. They have this style, I think, most of the time, all year round, so I'll leave the link down below. It just depends whether this color is sold out, but they sell them in various blues and I think white and black sometimes as well. They were a bit longer and I had to roll the ends. These are also from Glassons. The reason I have so many Glassons jeans is because I collaborate with them each month. Like, they give me a voucher each month and I get to pick some pieces to make content in. So yeah, that's why I have a lot of Glassons stuff. But these are more like a stretchy pant rather than jean. I think they called them jean, but it's like a really stretchy material. It doesn't really feel like you're wearing jeans. Not see-through as far as I can tell. And they have that cool seam down the middle, which gives it that vintage vibe. They're kind of like the other blue ones I showed, but in white. These are the Wrangler Drew jean, and I got them from Princess Polly when I collaborated with them last month. They're more on the tight side, so they're kind of flattening my butt a bit, and I can't really bend my legs that much. It's more of a really thick, non-stretched denim, which is not my favorite kind, but I just love the style of these. I love the vintage light wash and the one rip on the knee, and it's got the Wrangler tags on the back as well. So yeah, I might consider selling these because they are a bit tight and not comfy, and I'm not going to be picking them up because I can't really sit down probably. Oh yeah, my belly is bulging out. Next! These are from Beginning Boutique. They've got the cargo styled pockets on the sides, and they're super high-waisted, like at least an inch above my actual belly button. So I feel like they're more of a festival vibe if you want to go for like a tiny crop and then something really high-waisted. I've never worn these out yet because, I don't know, the fit's a bit weird. On my waist it's a bit big, but I do think they're really cool for like a special event. I got these on sale at Princess Polly. They're like a really cropped style, and they're more of like a, not dirty, but I don't know, dirty grey blue colour and an acid wash kind of style. They're really flattering and comfy. I've actually never worn them out yet, I don't think. They've got 3 rips and they're just a bit different to the normal jean. Next! These are Pretty Little Thing again. As I said, they have the best jeans, and especially like baggy, trendy jeans. These are exact same as the blue, but the black comes in a thicker denim, so it's more of a non-stretch, thicker denim, so they're not as comfy as my other kind of silky blue ones, but no, they're still comfy. I just tend to wear blue more often. But yeah, these are sick. I love them. Next! I have these cute embroidered jeans from Ghanda clothing. They are recent, so I'll leave the link down below. With Ghanda clothing, I had to go up a size in their pants and jeans, so this is a size 8. They've got the cutest flare bottoms, and it's kind of, it is a stretch denim, so it does have a little stretch to it in terms of the waist and the thighs. But how cute are they? They've got red and white and pink, I think. Little flowers. Cute! If you're from Australia and you're looking for some affordable skinny jeans, just like the basic styles with some nice washes, I definitely recommend Cotton On. Cotton On have amazing jeans and they're really good prices. This is probably the skinniest, most skin tight jean I own, and I never really wear it because I definitely prefer wearing baggy jeans. If you're after a style like this, definitely check out Cotton On. They have heaps of different kinds of styles like colors and rips, and I'd say they're true to size as well. And that's all my jeans. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some inspiration if you're looking to invest in some new jeans. Don't go and spend all your money on all these jeans. I'll try to leave links down below to similar styles because obviously this has been collected over a couple of years, so not everything will be in stock, but I'll try to link everything that's in stock. Please comment down below what videos you want to see next. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video.